Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zia, and today I'm going to play around in Linux. Come on. First of all, I want to create a user account in the Linux. So first of all, I have to check how many user I have in my account. So cat etc password. So now I have here Zia, and this is the encrypted password, and this is the user ID, group ID, and this is the home directory, and also this one is the shell login. Okay, so also you can use cat etc shadow to check how many user you have. So this one also gives me Zia, and this one is the encrypted password. So now I want to create a user account in Linux. So add user Ali. So I want to set a password. This one's file already exists, so I want to make it Ahmad. So I want to set the password for Ahmad. Just write password Ahmad. So now create a password, enter 2 times. So now this one has been successfully created. So I want to create another user. Add user for one. So I want to set the password for one. Okay, so set the password. Okay, now another user has been successfully created. So I want to check my users. Look, now I have here Zia, I have Ali, I have Ahmad, and I have Kurban. All these users have been successfully created. So also you can check which group belongs. So you can use cat etc and group. So here you can see that Zia belongs to group 1000 and Ali belongs to 01001, Ahmad 1002, and so on and so forth. So if you want to delete the user, just use user del Qurban. So this user has been successfully removed. So if you want to check whether it exists or not, shadow. So one is not anymore here. So we have Zia, I have Ali, and I have Ahmad. So that's all for creating a user in the Linux command. So now, I want to clear this stuff. So I want to create a new. Actually, I have already created a hard disk. So I want to create a new disk. So now we have to check if disk L. So I have this one, 2 partition, and also this one is the empty. So I want to create a new partition. If this div is db. Okay, so now you can enter in for help. So I want to create a new one, which is n. Okay, after that I use p for primary purpose. So default was create 1 or 0 or 2, 4. So this one is also default, and also this one is default. So you can use t. Okay. Okay, now you enter it e. So now this one has been successfully created. So I want to enter w to confirm this partition. So now this partition has been successfully created. So I want to check if disk L. So now this partition has been successfully created. So now I want to create a virtual physical volume. Now create pv create dev sdb1. So oh sorry, we forgot to put slash. here we need to put slash. So now this one has been successfully created. So I want to create the volume group. VG create VG send OS2 div SDB1. So this one also successfully created. So I want to display this. Just write VGS. So look, VGS VG send OS has been successfully created. Okay. So I want to create a logical volume LV create. So minus L. I want to make the size 100 M. Okay. Minus N. LV home 01 VG So this one has been successfully created. So I want to create another one for 02. So this one is created. So I want to create another one for 03. So this one also successfully created. So I want to display the virtual logical values. Just write LVS. So now I have here home 1, and I have home 2, and I have home 3 has been successfully created. So now I want to make a s.ext4 div vg send os2 lv home 01. So this one done. So I want to create for home 02. So this one also done for 03. So they all handle. Now this one has been successfully done. So now I want to make a directory. Make directory lv1 one directory, another directory for 2, and another directory for 3. So I want to mount these directories. Mount div vg send os2 lv home 01 lv1, right? Just wait sometimes. Okay, this will create it. So I want to mount for 02 also, for 02. So this one also mounted. So for 03. So everything now done. So I want to check this stuff. Okay, now everything here has been mounted. Okay, we have home 0. Okay, here V1, V2 and V3 all has been mounted. Okay. Now this time we are going to create a array. So we have to install mda adm create. Now we have div md0 level equal red. Now we're going to create a red 5 9. And we have 3 partition. So we have div mapper and vg send os2 LV home 01. Also we make it for home 2. Mapper VG 2 LV home 02. And also make it for the VG send OS VG send OS2 and LV home 03. So now the new device is busy, so we have to reboot the system to make the RAID. So now our system has been successfully rebooted. So I want to create that one, the RAID. Okay, now it has been successfully created. So we make continue. Okay. So everything. So this this one has been started and also created successfully. So next. So we want to make sudo mkfs.ext4 dev md0. So this one has been successfully created. Okay. Sudo we want to make a directory. Make directory home and make it as a name temp. So this directory created. So sudo we want to mount this one. Mount dev md0 now temp. So this one is successfully mounted. So I want to display this one. So this one also, yeah, now this one has been mounted. Okay. So next, sudo launch. So this one now successfully created. Here is active now. Our RAID 5 is now active. So we want to go to back. Okay. So now we want to make swap file. To check the swap file first, so we need to make the free So this one is this one that's the swapping file. Okay. So next, so to create a swap file, we make dd df equal div equal 0 so div not equal 0 then of equal swap bs equal 1024 count equal 24800. Okay. Oh, what's BS? Something is wrong with the BS. Oh, something is wrong with the base. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now recording. So to test the swap file, so we make a link. To set up swap file, sorry. To set up a swap file, and make swap. So now we go create it. Turn the swap on. We make swap on and then swap. Oh. So I don't know, this has some problem, but I hope it's to the process is okay. I don't know, some problem. So we want to check this one free and the swapping file. So now we have the swapping file here. Everything is good. So now we want to verify the table. So vi etc and fs tag. So now we want to make a swap. Space and swap. You have to write it carefully here. And swap. And we just make a default. So default. And we just make it here 0 0. That's all for the swapping, for the verifying table. Now we enter PQ to save the swapping file. So that's all for the swapping. So now we want to move on with the resizing. Let's clear this stuff. So now I'm going to resize and extend the size and also reduce the size of the file. First of all, I want to extend the size of the file. So just so for example here I want to increase the size of the home01 to 100 MB. So now this one has been successfully resized. Here has been successfully resized. So if we want to display, just write tf minus m. So here is the 01 is home01 190. So previously it was 90, now it is 190. Has been successfully resized. So if we want to resize, for example, home02 to extend the size for 02. So now I don't have free space available, so I want to reduce the file of this, the size of this one, home01. So we just write lv reduce minus n. So yes. So now this one, yeah, that one successfully resized. So I want to check again. So now it is become 190. So if you want to extend the file for extend the size for the home02, just write make it home02. So here write plus and make this one x10. So that this one successfully resized. So I want to check whether it is resized or not. So look, now it is become 190. Now this successfully resized. So I want to decrease the size of this. So we just go to make 0 to just change plus m to minus. So here I want to reduce the file. Reduce. Okay, so I want to write yes. Yep. So everything is successfully resized. So I want to check. Okay, now we become 193 MB. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your watching.